Hey everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about the Boss Hybrid Micro Polisher 12-volt power inverter. Effortlessly transform your Boss Hybrid Micro Polisher into a corded powerhouse for uninterrupted polishing sessions by pairing it with our 12-volt power inverter. This inverter is accompanied by our 10-foot quick connect cord, which is compatible with all 7 of our polishers, providing convenient tool changes as necessary to efficiently correct any surface. For extended reach, consider swapping to our 25-foot quick connect power cord. The inverter is equipped with an integrated cooling fan to ensure optimal operating temperature, even under challenging conditions. It's normal to hear a subtle fan noise during operation because of this. A key feature of this inverter is the overload protection circuitry, which safeguards both the polisher and the inverter, ensuring a prolonged working life. We recommend complying with the recommended operating speeds and avoiding using excessive downward pressure, as it's unnecessary for effective correction and helps prevent triggering the overload protection. To use the 12-volt hybrid power inverter, simply connect it to the receiver on the polisher, ensuring you hear a definitive click, signifying that it's properly engaged. Next, connect the quick connect power cord to the port on the inverter, and then you're ready to fire it up. For more information on our 12-volt power inverter, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage.